Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a habit tracker in Clickup, a full step-by-step guide for 2025 that will help you stay consistent and crush your goals. Whether you want to track workouts, reading, or daily routines, this tutorial will make it super simple. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to clickup.com. If you already have an account, click Login at the top right. For a faster login, you can use your Google account. If you're new to ClickUp, just create an account. It only takes a minute. Once you're in, you'll be directed straight to your workspace. ClickUp has a bunch of pre-made templates that save tons of time. Go to the List section, click the three-dot menu, and select Templates. Then click Browse Templates to explore. In the search bar, type Habit, and you'll see a list of habit tracker templates. Select Personal Habit Tracker to check out its structure and features. Once you've found the template, click Use Template. You'll be prompted to name your habit tracker. Choose a name that motivates you, like Morning Wins or Daily Growth. After naming it, click Use Template again and your habit tracker will be created. You'll now see a habit section in your ClickUp toolbar. Click it to open your tracker. Now the fun part, customizing it for your goals. You can edit existing tasks or add new habits that fit your routine. For example, you could track reading, meditation, workouts, or even water intake. Make it personal so it truly helps you stay accountable. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've created a fully functional habit tracker in ClickUp that will help you stay consistent and hit your goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with more productivity tips. Start tracking your habits today and watch your progress soar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.